Hi and welcome to VIEZU Technologies. As you can see, we've got a workshop full of lovely Defenders here today. I'd like to talk to you specifically about Defender Henry here. We're going to talk to you a little bit about the work that we've been doing, take you through the process and the detail that the customer asked for, and towards the end of the video we'll give you a little up-close tour of exactly what we've been doing. I hope you like it. Hi everybody, Paul here from VIEZU Technologies, and it's one of those mixed emotion days today where we hand over another Land Rover Defender Restoration. We love these vehicles when we're working on them, we get very, very attached to them, but sooner or later we have to give them back to the owner, and that's today. So before we do that, I just wanted to give you a walk and talk around to show you some of the work that we've done on this stunning Defender known as Henry. First of all, Henry remains in a left-hand drive 110 Defender. We carried out here what we call a semi-restoration. The difference between this and a full restoration is predominantly the body has not left the chassis. So the chassis and bulkhead are in very good condition, therefore we can do a restoration without completely nothing bolting the vehicle. The advantage of this is it takes about a third off the cost price, it takes about 4 weeks off the build time. So we can actually turn around a semi-restoration like this in around 8 to 10 weeks time. Let me give you a tour around and show you what we've been doing. First of all, Henry is on a 2-inch lift suspension. Obviously been completely repainted. This is the original winch bumper that was on the vehicle. That's been powder coated. Has a lot of the other metal components on the vehicle. Obviously LED lights, one of our signature dishes. Standard headlights are a bit like candles. These LED lights make a huge difference. Brand new paintwork, as you can imagine. Checker plate has been powder coated to match the lovely front bumper that we're talking about. Whilst the doors were quite good, we felt that they were starting to bubble a little bit on the bottom, and the danger of that is once it starts, it just doesn't stop. So we've fitted 2 brand new doors to Henry, just to be on the safe side. Side steps, as you can imagine, new wheels, new tyres. Come and take a little look inside, because it's a little bit different, this one. The brief from Henry's owner is that they want to use it as a water sports type vehicle, so it's going to see action around lakes and on the beaches. So we've gone for a very heavy duty matting, rubber matting, very waterproof, very tough on the flooring, new seats of course, new Puma style dashboard, state-of-the-art satellite navigation, lots and lots of extra mod cons, digital dial set up too, so the dials are nice and bright, and a lot of new gizmos inside to bring the bang up to date. We do like these soft tops. The invisible rail fitting makes them very, very attractive, just simply pops off. And you can take a little look inside there. And then within a couple of seconds, literally, back to nice and waterproof. Let me take you around the back, because the setup is quite different here. Heavy duty wheel carrier, spare wheel. And we have another one of our signature dishes, this teak look floor. Comes with a 20-year guarantee, looks absolutely stunning, totally waterproof, and gives a really, really nice tough finish for these vehicles, particularly if they are being used on beaches where you get a lot of sand in the back. It just brushes out very nicely. Nice setup here with 6 side-facing seats, complete with lap belts, heavy-duty roll bar as well. Henry is due to leave to America in the next couple of days, where hopefully he'll have a much warmer, sunny life out in Florida. Have a look in from the inside, from the passenger side. As I say, restoration of this nature can take only between 8 to 10 weeks. Looks, for all intents and purposes, just like a full nut and bolt restoration, but comes in much, much cheaper. I hope you like Henry. I very much hope the new owner likes Henry very much. And if you've got any questions at all, drop me an email. It's paul@viezu.com, or you can give us a call on 01789 77 44 44. We'd love to hear from you.